Have you ever stepped into your poultry house early in the morning only to find one of your strongest, most active birds sitting helplessly in a corner? Its wings flapping in panic, its neck stretching at strange angles, but its legs refusing to move? At first, you may think, maybe it's just tired, maybe it missed the feeder. But when you move closer, reality hits you. This bird is paralyzed. Its eyes are still bright, its wings still flap, but the body won't cooperate. And the scariest part? What starts with one bird can quickly become 2, then 5, then 10. Farmers, before we go deeper, tell me in the comments, where are you watching this video from? I love seeing how poultry farmers from different parts of the world come together to share knowledge. Welcome back to Poultry Farm Guide. If you're new here, this is where we break down practical solutions for everyday poultry challenges. And today, we're diving into a serious and often misunderstood condition, paralysis in poultry. This isn't just random weakness. It's not always injury. Paralysis in chickens can come from multiple hidden causes: viral, nutritional, toxic, environmental, or even mechanical. And if you don't recognize it early, you can lose flock after flock without understanding why. In this video, you'll learn the different types of paralysis in poultry, the hidden causes most farmers miss, natural preventive and supportive remedies you can start using today, supplements that strengthen legs and nerves before problems show up. And stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a bonus list of natural supplements that every poultry farmer should keep in their toolbox to protect their birds. 1. Viral paralysis. One of the most common forms of paralysis in poultry is viral paralysis, especially Marek's disease. Marek's is caused by a highly contagious virus that mainly targets young birds between 2 to 5 months. The virus attacks the nerves, particularly the sciatic nerve that runs down the legs. That's why you'll see the classic posture: one leg stretched forward, the other stretched backward. Some birds also show drooping wings, twisted necks, or even partial blindness. What makes Marek's deadly is that once symptoms show, it's usually irreversible. And worse, the virus spreads silently through feather dust and droppings. Prevention is the only answer here. Always vaccinate day-old chicks at the hatchery. Avoid introducing unvaccinated birds into your flock. Maintain strict biosecurity. Farmers, if this point alone has been helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with another farmer. It helps us continue creating free, practical guides for poultry farmers like you. 2. Nutritional paralysis. Now, let's talk about nutritional paralysis. This type often sneaks up on farmers who either mix their own feed without proper supplements or unknowingly use feed that has lost its nutritional value. Deficiencies in vitamins like B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B12, or vitamin E with selenium are the main culprits. Riboflavin deficiency causes curled toe paralysis. You'll see chicks dragging their legs with toes curled inward. Thiamine deficiency leads to poor coordination and weakness. Vitamin E and selenium deficiency causes crazy chick disease, encephalomalacia, with head tremors and loss of balance. The good news? Nutritional paralysis can be reversed if caught early. Natural supplement options: wheat germ oil or sunflower seeds vitamin E, fish meal or fermented soybean meal B vitamins, mustard seeds or fermented grain selenium. 3. Toxic paralysis. Next, we have toxic paralysis, often caused by mycotoxins in feed. These are toxic substances produced by mold in poorly stored grains. When chickens eat moldy maize, groundnut cake, or feed ingredients exposed to moisture, toxins like aflatoxins and ochratoxins damage the liver and nervous system. Symptoms include tremors in wings and legs, sudden loss of balance, greenish droppings, pale combs and wattles. Prevention tips: never use moldy grains, even in small amounts. During feed shortages, double-check ingredient quality. Use natural toxin binders. Activated charcoal, bentonite clay, wood ash in small amounts in water. These bind toxins and reduce absorption in the gut. 4. Heat stress paralysis. Another hidden trigger is heat stress. In hot weather, broilers in particular struggle to regulate body temperature. When heat overloads the body, oxygen distribution weakens, electrolytes crash, and muscles, including leg muscles, stop working properly. Signs include drooping wings, heavy panting, weak legs, or sudden collapse. Natural cooling and electrolyte support. Add coconut water in drinking troughs. Mix a natural electrolyte with sugar, salt, lemon, and baking soda. Herbs like ginger, garlic, turmeric help reduce oxidative stress. Always provide shade, ventilation, and cool water. For a detailed step-by-step, check out my other video on handling heat stress naturally in poultry. 5. Metabolic paralysis, cage layer fatigue. Layers in cages during peak production often face cage layer fatigue. The demand for calcium in eggshell production can outpace what the bird's body can supply. Bones weaken, spinal nerves compress, and paralysis develops. Solutions: adequate calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D3. Sunlight or UV exposure for vitamin D synthesis. Rotate hens occasionally out of cages into free-range systems. 6. Injury-induced paralysis. Finally, let's not forget mechanical causes. Slipping on wet floors. Spinal injury from rough handling. Pecking injuries in overcrowded flocks. These are not diseases, but they can leave a bird permanently unable to walk. Always keep floors dry and non-slippery. Avoid overcrowding. Train handlers to be gentle, especially during vaccination or transfers. Now, here's the truth. Paralysis is not a disease, it's a symptom. A symptom of something deeper, whether it's viral, nutritional, toxic, heat-related, metabolic, or mechanical. And while we can't cure viral paralysis, we can prevent most of the others with smart nutrition and natural supplements. Bonus: natural supplements every farmer should use to prevent leg issues. Here are the top natural supplements to keep your flock strong and walking. 1. Garlic and ginger mix. Boosts immunity, improves blood flow, and reduces oxidative stress. 2. Turmeric powder. Natural anti-inflammatory. Helps nerve and muscle recovery. 3. Brewer's yeast. Rich in B-complex vitamins. Supports nerve function. 4. Mustard seeds / fermented grains. Provides selenium for strong nerves. 5. Moringa leaves. Packed with calcium, vitamin E, and antioxidants. 6. Coconut water. Electrolyte booster. Prevents collapse in heat stress. 7. Bone meal and crushed oyster shells for calcium and phosphorus balance in layers. 8. Activated charcoal, small doses. Natural toxin binder to prevent paralysis from feed toxins. Farmers, which of these supplements have you used before? Let me know in the comments. So remember, paralysis in poultry isn't one single condition. It's a warning sign. And if you want to protect your flock, don't just treat symptoms. Diagnose, prevent, and supplement naturally. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more practical tips. Share this with another farmer. It might just save their flock. And don't forget to check the first link in the description for more resources and natural supplement guides. Now, if you want to learn the most powerful organic method for preventing heat stress while also strengthening bones and reducing paralysis, click on this next video right here. See you there.